Alright, let's just drive over her. You're in my way, woman! Hello and welcome! My name is Maiva, and today I am playing the demo to Uncanny Tales, The Watcher. Apparently they have other episodes too. Interesting. Right, let's start with a patrol, then I'll check the cams. That was fast already. Radio communication. Upon hearing a radio signal, hold right mouse button to start talking to your partner. Alright, mandatory and optional dialogues. Pay attention. Oh my god. Now you're asking a lot of me. First things first, check the trail cams. Ooh, flashlight. How do I check trail cams? Hello?
Ivanic, you got your bags packed yet? It's the final stretch, after all.
Put some drama in there.
My boy's turning 5 on 26. His first big birthday. And here I am, stuck on with sticks counting beer trucks. How old is yours now?
She's 7 already, starting school this year. New guy takes over tomorrow. Gotta hand over the place so he doesn't fuck it all up.
We'll show him the ropes. We were all green ones. Come on, don't get all sappy on me. Finish the rounds and head back to base. Over and out.
Take care, buddy. Out. Now leave me be. Leave me in peace to discover this place and what it has to offer. Which is nothing. Is that me? Ranger ID card, my badge. Without it, I'm just some old man in the woods. It's almost expired, just in time for my retirement. Alright. Sergey. Should I take it with? Can I take it with? No. I can't. Alright, I'm going out. Navigation. Compass. Oh no. That's great. Oh, you know what? That's not too hard. Yeah. Car's out of gas. Gotta refuel. I think the jerry can is by the workbench in the yard. The workbench. That's why I just came out, right? Workbench. Yard. Where is the yard? Alright, I'm going places. Get further away from it, aren't I? So where exactly does it want me to go? My god. Can't throw it. Why would I throw it? Where am I refueling this shit from? It's not actually showing. Refuel the car? Oh.
Don't you ever get tired babysitting the streets?
Holy Mother of God. Altine? I don't know how to pronounce that name. How many fucking times do I have to tell you? The area is restricted. No trespassing.
Close, he says. The earth isn't close. The earth is waiting for him.
What's with her hands? Look at these hands.
Stomping around. Making noise. Reeking of gasoline and scarp metal.
You should learn to talk a bit faster, woman. Back at it again? You should go home before I call the cops. Feeding your delirium tremens again.
You'll all pay. The forest craves silence. Our mess is coming soon. It'll crawl out from the dark. Take your children and leave nothing but ash where your house stood.
What the hell is an almes? You should listen to fewer bedtime stories. Get in. I'll drop you off at the gate before it gets dark.
No, I'm not getting into that $10 of yours. I'll look. God might help you yet, but I'm done with you.
Kinda done with you too. I want to throw it at you. I can only put it down. Alright, let's just drive over her. You're in my way, woman. I can't drive over her. Come on! Get the fuck out of my way. I'm just gonna follow the road. I'm driving further away, aren't I? Maybe I should have gone somewhere else. Not doing too well with the driving. Get out? How do I get out? Right. So this is where I came from. So yeah, let's try and go. This is literally where I came from. Got our fucking crazy woman over here. I am very confused. Can I turn off the music? She is a very slow walker. Is there a way to drive out here instead? Jesus Christ, what am I doing? Right, I'm going the right way now though. Which is something. Is this a trail cam? I don't know if it is. I feel like it is. It's definitely a trail cam. Let me out. Let me out. Hello? Oh. Okay. Alright, that's interesting. What am I doing? Call that chicken the trail cams? Alright. I want to get rid of my mouse. Alright, that's better. Oh my god, can I please? Nope. Is this not a way? It's a way, alright, for me. Come on. I'm afraid I am stuck. No? Am I stuck? Am I not stuck? Who the fuck knows? Wow, this itself is frustrating. Come on. Get the fuck out. I'd say it can use some optimization. It looks cool, but I'm having a hard time getting around in this car. Who the hell is out there? I want to go for optional, or I feel like I'm not going to be seeing anything. What's up? Wait, let me look at this first. Police missing person notice. A flyer about a girl who went missing in these parts. The paper is crumpled in places. Attention! Assistance required in search. Militia Department number 2 is seeking information on the whereabouts of citizen Oksana whatever, born 1983, resident of whatever. Circumstances: on the morning of August 1st, she headed into the forest to gather cranberries for sale. She has not returned home to this day. The subject knows the forest well and has no history of going missing. Carrying 2 plastic buckets, 1 white, 1 blue, and a wooden-handled knife. Given her experience in navigation, investigators do not rule out a wild animal attack or foul play by third parties. Not written down. What's up?
Hey there, Ivanich.
Hey Sanya, what brings you here?
Holy shit, what a fucking mess. After that goddamn hurricane, the wires are just hanging off the pole like the noodles. Gonna have to climb up there and unfuck this disaster.
Okay. I don't know what to say about this voice acting, man. Got it. Well, if it needs fixing, fix it.
Yo, Serega, do me a solid, man. I left my fucking pliers back at the workshop, and that's a 40-mile haul from here. I really can't be asked to go all that way. To be honest, you got a pair I can use?
Oh, there won't
I
be.
get it. Guess I'll have to climb up
What is this? Fucking weirdness. Oh, you're here? Alright. Well, you know what? This is not normal. The way this van makes noise. It's completely over the top. Do something about it. I really wish I could turn the radio off. Okay, this is annoying as hell. I think I'm gonna go without the fucking car if I can. You know, just to give you an idea, I still can hear that car equally as loud. And it's like all the way up there somewhere now. What? I don't want to talk to you. But you're not letting me go anywhere. Alright, whatever. I'm at the pier. The lake is quiet today like a mirror, not even a ripple.
Beautiful, isn't it? Just make sure that mirror stays clear of any unauthorized boats. Poachers from the village have no shame lately, dropping nets right under our noses. They feel just cause it's a preserve, it's a free-for-all. Thank God for that. At least the fish get some peace here.
Who wants to listen to this?
The mosquitoes on that pier are vicious. Keep moving.
Yeah. What happens when I get 6 out of 6? Leave me alone. I'm busy. This looks cool. Something's hanging on the tree. Well, it's gonna have to wait, okay? That's the last one. Now back to the cabin for the report. Fun. Something's hanging on the tree. Was it this weird one? No, it's not hanging. It's just weird. It's just weird. In what tree are we talking about? Look, there's a mushy here. A mushy. No, I thought I saw something hanging. Oh, we're talking about this? I'm at point 6. Listen, something's up. Found something. Looks like a headscarf. Green, faded, covered in filth.
Ivanic, tell me you didn't touch it with your bare hands.
Of course not. What's wrong?
The baller report was that cut of a girl, remember? Green headscarf. Listen to me carefully. Leave it exactly where it is.
Yeah, that's a creepy find for sure.
Turn the light.
Yeah. Me neither, buddy. I wish they would talk a lot faster than they are. Alright, I'm heading home. It's gonna be a long way. Can we shut this car off? Because it is so loud. If I park it in here, will it shut the fuck off? God, it's gonna endlessly keep making noise. Sometime later. I'll check the cams, fill out the report, and then finally get some dinner. I don't want to read. Come on, leave me alone. Shut up. So tired of hearing this music even. Photo of granddaughter, my little princess. Promise her that as soon as I'm back from the shift, we're heading straight to the amusement park. Hello? Complete sector check, cameras and report. Alright, I clearly don't know what to do because I didn't want to read it. At Arthur's Chips. I hate this chemical crap, but these are good. Bratwurst flavored. Perfect for watching something cursed. Something cursed? Nadia wrote this so I wouldn't poison myself with canned meat. The name is her little joke, but the taste is the real deal. Anyway, I guess I just missed it earlier on. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing what you can do when you sit down on the chair. State Nature Reserve reporting instructions. Enter the following data in the Reports app. Weather, parameter, camera status, unauthorized persons, notes, signature. What's in the recycle? I want to know what's in there. Mine's paper. Damn, I suck at it. Damn it! Oh, look at that. Wait. Was that around that place? There's no one to see, is there? Okay. I don't remember his name. I said one because of that lady. But I don't really fucking know. Is that something? Ooh, night vision. That makes it a lot better to see. Alright, we went through them all. What's in the recycle bin? It's in my computer. Well, I guess I did that, so whatever. Next day? It still says to do it, but I did it. I did it. Alright, I mean, some stuff is pretty cool, I think, that you can do. Other stuff, I don't know. I'm rather annoyed by this game. So I'm just gonna leave it there. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you liked the video, please consider a like or subscribe. Wait. Soup's in the fridge. Who passed? Why you got crunchy boots? Alright, I'm gonna do this.
You Anich? You there? Am I interrupting official?
I hear you, just warming up yesterday's soup. What's up?
Just checking in. The silence out here is deafening sometimes. It's gonna be damn lonely without you next season.
Who am I gonna shoot the breeze with? The new kid? He'll probably spend the whole shift playing with his Game Boy. To be honest, I'm gonna miss it too. You get used to the forest, and to you, you old grump, but I'm getting too old for this, Talia. My leave starts in 2 weeks too. Gonna head to the cottage, fix the fence. You better visit me first chance you get. We'll get the sauna going, have a proper sit down. You offended me. I'll be on the first flight to see you. Take it easy, over and out, yes. Is soup good? Soup, do I need bowl? Yes, here's soup bowl. Soup. Put it in there. Now where do I eat it? Just while I'm here? That was some damn good borscht. Now time to hit the sack. Alright. Throw that shit away.
Sergei, you there? Come in. You are excited. Pick up.
Delia, you see what time it is? What the fuck?
Right, finally. Sergei, we got a situation. Every camera in your sector just went dark. The power at the substation is split line. You hear me? Zero power.
Maybe a branch fell? I'll check in the morning.
What fallen branch, Sergei? Didn't you hear me? The alarm was triggered. The lock's been ripped off. If there is a fire or a short, the whole damn forest is going up in smoke. And you're caping with it. We'll bury us alive for this.
Broken into? What do you mean broken into? You're breaking up.
Sergei, please, just go look. If the inspectors show up and see the panel dress, we're not just fine. We're looking at jail time.
Talia, the signal is shit.
About it. The new guy arrives tomorrow. What are we gonna hand him? A pile of ash? Don't leave me out to dry here. I can see it from the monitor. Something's wrong. Just a quick look and get out.
Fuck it, fine. I'll go have a look. I mean, I can fucking hear it. There's fire going on. And I can see sparks. Oh, and this is oh yeah, I have flashlight. How about it? Fuck, what were those shots? So yeah, someone just took a shot in my sector. Fuck, copy that. What the fuck is going on? I thought there was fire. It sounded like fire and it was showing like sparks. So maybe it was sparks for this. Yeah, that's because it's giving off heat. Where do I go? The storm knocked the trees down. Alright. Guess I'm going this way then. Good lord, what a mess. It looks like a tank rolled through here. Not just the wind. The entrance road is completely blocked off. Well, that blocked off too. Can I pass through here? There's blot. There's blot! Fine. Came from here, didn't I? Should go this way. Yeah, this was locked. Now it's gonna be open. I knew it. Can't drive any further. What do you mean can't drive? Drive with my legs? Tell ya, I'm at the substation. Things look bad. Real bad. I don't understand a fucking word you're saying. He's not saying anything. Damn it, I'm going past the fence. Ow. The gates are smashed in and blood. Holy shit, what the hell happened here? Oh damn. What the flying fuck? Who could have done this? I need to head back and call for help. Alright. What about this? What about this? I can't. Oh. Who the fuck are you? Why'd you kill the deer, huh? Not enough meat for you, you prick? Did you have to gut the poor thing like that? Drop the shotgun, now. Being in a reserve with a weapon is prison time, you hear me? I'm calling the deputy. You're leaving here in handcuffs. Hey, why are you quiet? Do you even understand what I'm saying to you? I think I got shot. Also, what stupid things to say to a person with a shotgun? Or any gun. He dragging me! Now you answer me, huh? The Watcher. He was watching the whole time. Some stuff I think is good in this game. Other stuff I didn't like. I thought it wasn't working smooth at all. I don't like the driving. The driving was absolute shit. The dialogue was way too slow for me. I'm not a very patient person though, I have to say. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and if you like this video, please consider a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.